Welcome to In the Kitchen with Randy, and today we're going down our Weight Watchers journey a little bit further. Today we're making a 0-point chicken salad. So we're going to begin with our base sauce that we've been using for the last couple videos. So we're going to start with about a half cup of Greek yogurt. We'll put that in our bowl. To that, we're going to add in about 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard. I do recommend Dijon Mustard on this particular recipe. It has a nice flavor for it. It doesn't add too much spice to it. It just makes it nice and tangy. So I do recommend that. To that, we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of dill relish. Again, if you want to use sweet relish, feel free. What you're going to do is add about 5 points to it. Then we're going to add in about 3/4 cups of chopped celery. I'm going to add in about a 1/4 cup of diced red pepper today. Going to put in about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and about a 1/2 teaspoon of cracked pepper. And we're going to start mixing that up. We'll get everything in the pool, get everything all mixed up, so get all that flavor blended. Now this is going to be a chicken salad, so we kind of want this to have a little bit of a lighter flavor to it than like tuna salad or something of that nature. I also like to have a little bit of sweetness in it. So to get that sweetness today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in about a 1/2 cup of sliced grapes. I'm using purple grapes. You can use green grapes if you wish. That's up to you. You use any type of a grape that you really want. So we'll get that all mixed in good. And then we're going to add in about 8 ounces of chopped chicken. Now what I did was I grilled that chicken. I seasoned it up. I put it on my little stove grill that I have. Got that nice little marks in it. So I can tell you that chicken tastes really good. So here we go. We're going to mix this all together. Now you can make this into a salad. You can use this as a salad. You can make it as a sandwich, or just a plated salad. So that's up to you. Today I think we're going to do it just as a plated salad. So we'll be right back.